The Continental PremiumContact 7 has been a strong contender in the summer performance segment, but how does it stack up against the all-new Hankook Ventus Evo? Today, we'll analyze their key performance metrics to see which tyre comes out on top. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental PremiumContact 7 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Auto-Build Summer Tyre Test. In wet braking, the Ventus Evo stops 1.5 meters shorter, at 42.7 meters, compared to PremiumContact 7's 44.2 meters. That's a 4% advantage for Hankook. In wet handling, the Ventus Evo holds a slight edge with an average lap speed of 73.5 km per hour, just 0.3 km per hour faster than the PremiumContact 7. In aquaplaning, the PremiumContact 7 clears water with a slipping speed of 81.1 km per hour, a negligible difference of a 0.3 km advantage of Ventus Evo. In dry braking, the Ventus Evo stops 0.6 meters shorter, at 34 meters, giving it a 2% advantage. When it comes to dry handling, Hankook is 1.1 km per hour faster when it comes to average lap time speed, giving it a 1% advantage. While the differences are small, Hankook has the edge in dry performance, excelling in both braking and handling speed. When it comes to longevity, the PremiumContact 7 leads with a lifespan of 46,250 km, lasting 4,800 km longer than the Ventus Evo, giving it a 10% advantage. If you want a tyre that lasts longer, Continental is the clear winner. Both tyres score equally in subjective comfort. However, in exterior noise levels, both tyres only have a difference of 0.1 decibel, making the noise level between them two negligible. When it comes to rolling resistance, Continental has a 3% advantage. This means that better fuel efficiency and lower energy consumption with the PremiumContact 7. When it comes to price, both Continental PremiumContact 7 and Hankook Ventus Evo are priced the same. So, which tyre should you choose? The Continental PremiumContact 7 excels in mileage, rolling resistance, and overall efficiency, making it a great option for those who are looking long-lasting and fuel-efficient tyres. On the other hand, the brand new Hankook Ventus Evo delivers better wet and dry braking, faster handling speeds, and a more aggressive performance.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.